Hello, my name is Lilian. This video will show the interaction with the website. The website I choose is called OnePickle. It is a restaurant website. There are 4 parts in this evaluation. They are user experience evaluation, user interface design evaluation, usability evaluation, and aesthetic design evaluation. Now let's start with the first one, user experience evaluation. This website is quite different with others because they have 2 homepages. The first one is shown on screen now, and the second one is like this. The first one I would like to call it like a related web page, because here is 3 parts in the middle. It's called OnePickle, and the polo room, and the greenhouse. The polo room is the function room in the OnePickle restaurant. The greenhouse is a sister restaurant of OnePickle restaurant. So in this page, I would suggest to remove this part, the polo room, and just leave OnePickle and greenhouse. This is like a related homepage with 2 restaurants. And then this is the real homepage of OnePickle restaurant. Now we move to the user interface design evaluation. We could use this one, for example. The first thing is about the background. We could see here the background is changed in few seconds, and then it's all the colorful images about the food, about the restaurant. With here we could say it's a white color of the text of the words. In some images background, it's not show clearly. It look quite messy and unclear. So I would like to say to change the background is like a poor color or the green one with the before. And then now we move to usability evaluation. Here, as a restaurant website, it aims to provide information such as address, contact details, opening hours, and make reservations. Sorry. This website did well on this. We could see here the logo, the address, the contact details, the opening hours, and the reservation bar. There's another problem of it. We could say here for the reservation things, it is working now, but I did a test before, it is not working. So we could say here, this reservation is operated by OpenTable.ie. As personal experience, I would like to use OpenTable.ie to make reservations, not from the web page of OnePickle, because OpenTable.ie they have an app on the phone. It's really handy. And then another problem is I can't find any information about this restaurant, such as which cuisine they are serving, which kind of restaurant they are. So I would like to suggest to add another web page called About Us to introduce themselves, and then fix the reservation error. Just make sure it works on any laptop, on computer, on the phone, on everything. It could be like fix it could be like get your customer follow your website. And then now we move to aesthetic design evaluation. In this one is the first thing is about the color about the background, color about the text. We mentioned before, And then now move to the proximity. We use private dining page be an example. The law of proximity, as we know that is like to separate different sections, use different different space here, different white space. Here we could say in here there's normally same space in every section, so it's quite confused to customers. So I would like to suggest them to add more white space between two different sections. And another really big problem is about the size of the words. This is quite too small in the page, so I would like to suggest them to use the full of the screen to design their website. As a website, I think this is okay because they provide the information they need and get everything on. It's only fix a little bit. It could be better. Give the customer better experience of their website and let the future customer follow them. And then here is about the social media part. There's only a Twitter account in the web page. I can find others like Instagram, like Facebook, but OnePickle all have them all social media account, and they are operating as well. So I would like to suggest the website designer put all of them into the website. Just let their exit customer and future customer to follow them and get charged with them. I think this could be get a better relationship with them. This is all my evaluation here. I would like to say thank you, and that's it.